What is going on, you legends? Welcome back to another video. We're out nice and early on the water this morning. Dad's just reversing the boat there, but we're about to head out. So we pretty much just punched out straight away. Just get out here nice and quick, waste no time. But today's target species are some squid, some fish, and we got the crab nets. So we've got an awesome recipe planned. And yeah, hopefully catch a bit of everything so we can put it together for you guys. Oh my god. It's a nice squid. Beautiful squid. Good squid. That is a good sized squid. Lovely. Beautiful first squid of the day. Let's keep going and get some more. So we're just sorting out the crab nets now. We got flathead, King George and squid scraps. So you might have seen us catch those in the last video. And yeah, we filleted them, ate them, they were beautiful. Now we're just using the carcasses, hopefully some crab. Crab net number one, dropping it down. Crab net number two going down. Just hooked up. I don't think it's anything too big. It's having a little tug now, but before it didn't seem too big. Bit small, still alright. He's only just on, Dad. Maybe grab the thing. He's only just on. Last little thing. Dad. He's only just on. He's full of ink. He's only just on. That's good, Dad. Dad with the squid on, finally hooked up. Oh, he is the biggest so far, I think, too. Do you want me to scoop it for you? Yep. Oh. Yeah, he's definitely the biggest. Nice stuff, Dad.
3 in the bag.
Nice squid, Dad. Good stuff. Oh, look at that stonker, Dad. That's huge. New PV on the squid. So we've just finished our squid drift, and now we're going to punch over that way to retrieve the crab nets, and let's hope there's a big juicy male in there. So unfortunately there was no crabs in the net. We're gonna gun it that way and go for a fish. There's a nice little reef we like flicking at. And then on the way back in, we'll drop them again and go for another squid. So let's send it. So we've just pulled up to the spot there. You got a rock and just here's a reef, and it's a bit sandy, bit weedy, so gonna have a fish. But Dad's just getting this burley bucket going. Got some chook pellets, some fish oil, and just dropped a crab pot. Hopefully snag a lucky crab or something. Whiting, pulled it up, and originally this crap fish was on, and then I saw this beautiful guy, so he's definitely a keeper, that's for sure. Dad with the nice little sand whiting. How good. Oh, nice little KG. Sand whiting. Yep. Fish on. Awesome little sand whiting. Perfect. Another absolute beauty out here on the water. Awesome. Yes. KGs are on. Yes, sir. Awesome KG. Got a measure on him and he's 31, so he's a keeper. Conditions are pretty good out here on the water. Just enjoying our time, catching a few fish, a couple of herring, those sorts of things. Awesome times. How's that for absolute mint day out in the water? Those squid and King George were so fun catching. Absolute awesome bag today. So we got the 4 sand whiting, the King George, and the 3 squid. We're going to fillet these bad boys now, and then we'll get into the cook up. how's that for a delicious cook up? That squid and King George whiting was cooked perfect. That rice and tomato paste, oh, so yum. I wish I could have some right now. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, give it a like, turn on the notification, and I'll see you in the next one. Yoo!